How do you bring about agreements? So the only way to bring about agreements, the only way is on a gradient. If I want to go from here to here, it will be very, very difficult for me to jump all the way here. But if I agree with this, and then 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 with this, you'll see that I will arrive there. And the magic is you cannot not agree on anything in this universe. There is nothing in this universe which you cannot bring about agreement to. The only time that you will not bring about, the only mistake that you can make is trying to jump too fast. Instead of going from here to here, you try to go from here to here, or too slow. You're already here in this level or in this level here, and you're trying to go in these steps, small steps. Since this universe is a universe of agreement, this universe is built upon agreements. You understand? You started here, and there was the first agreement, and then the second agreement, and then the fourth agreement. Sorry, that's minus. And so on. This is a universe of agreement. So everything at any given moment is actually the sum of all the agreements that happen, but you are unwilling to see some viewpoints, so you don't see the whole. So you have a disagreement. This universe is a universe of agreement. It's number of agreements. You build agreement upon agreement upon agreement upon agreement upon agreement. The whole is the sum of all the agreements. So if I will go backward and I will undo the level of agreement, at the end I will get to 2, the first 2. Which means that if there is a disagreement, you're missing a viewpoint, one or more, and because you're missing a viewpoint, you cannot see the whole, and what you have is a disagreement. Does it make sense? So you bring agreements only by gradient. No other way. Only by gradient. You get that? The only mistake you can make is bring about agreements is out agreement, which is too fast or too slow. Now, what kind of a gradient? What kind of a gradient? What are we looking? Gradient in what?